Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taylor here again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the Introduction to Piano Man by Billy Joel. Now for this video I'm just going to be showing you the bluesy introduction that Billy Joel plays for Piano Man. I'll make another video later breaking down the left hand bass pattern and the melody to Piano Man. But for now we're just going to stick to the introduction for beginners wanting to know that bluesy part that he plays, okay? So let's jump in and I'll show you how to play it. Okay, now for the left hand, we're only going to have to know 2 chords. And I'll tell you right now, I don't exactly know the exact terminology for the names of these chords because I'm not a music theory person, but the first chord we're going to play is somewhat like a D minor, okay? So it's going to be a D with our pinky, an F with our middle finger, A with index, and thumb up on C, okay? So just start on D with your pinky and alternate or skip a white note for each finger, okay? So that's going to be the first chord in the left hand, okay? Then we're just going to move our top 2 fingers down, our index and thumb, 1/2 step. So to an A flat and a B, okay? All right, so that's all you have to know for the left hand to the introduction, okay? Now for the right hand, it's going to take a bit more practice, so just pay attention and practice these notes, okay? That's going to be the first half of the introduction. We're going to start on an A flat and slide to an A. Then we're going to go to C, E, G. Alright. So let's try that with our left hand chord. You can start out playing it slow, and as you get more comfortable with changing between notes, you can pick up the speed a little bit, okay? And then it's just going to be a chromatic scale going down. So you're going to hit every note all the way down to C once you get to G, okay? And change to our other chord in the left hand. Okay. So we're going to be playing B flat, B, and C 3 times. Then we're going to go to G, A flat, and A. Back to G. Okay, so let's try that little part right there. The way you play that little pattern right there is the same way you're going to play when you jump down to D. Except we're going to end on G. Alright, so let's try that part. Okay. So when you put both of those pieces together, you're going to get the introduction that sounds like this. Okay. Then it's going to go into the bass notes of the actual song. But I'll save that part for another video today. I just wanted to focus on the introduction for beginners. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and also if you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, like it. If you like my videos I've been making, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.